Hi, fourth grade. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you how we can make boxes on our Google Slide notebook, okay? So far your writing notebook should look something like this. You should have your cover, you should have your writing to think entries. You should also have a page with your thesis statements on it and with the one that you chose as your final thesis statement. I asked you to highlight it or star it, whatever it is, but you should have one sentence that you're going to pick. Now, to add a new slide today, I want you to click the plus sign. This little arrow over here might give you different options of ways that your slide could be set up. Or if you just want another blank one, you just click the plus sign. Okay? When you click it, it'll show up after the last slide. So what I want you to do today is you have to make boxes because we're going to use boxes and bullets for our writing. So the way I do it is you could make a text box. So I make a text box. I click this little square with the T in it. Now I have a plus sign here. When I click it, I drag it to make a box. Now, while it's still highlighted, I'm going to change the border of it to maybe 3 so that you can see it. Now down here, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click the text box. I'm going to make 3 smaller ones. I'm going to go here, click this. I'm going to create another one. 1, 2. I'm going to make it a little thicker by clicking on the 3. And I'm going to create one more. These are going to be for our next writing lesson. Okay, we're going to use these for our boxes and bullets planning. So that is all I want you to do today for writing, is to set this up. You should have one big box at the top because this is where we're going to put our thesis. If you want to go ahead and put your thesis in there, you can. Remember, your thesis should be on the previous slide. But these 3 you're going to leave blank because that's for our next writing lesson. Now, that you could do it this way if you wanted to. Instead of doing the text boxes, you could insert a table. And a table allows you to pick how many columns you want, which are across, right? Or how many rows you want. So in this case, we want 1 for our thesis and 3 for our reasons, so a total of 4. So you might have something like this, which is also fine. Okay, you can click on the endings to make it bigger. And in this case, this would be your thesis. And then these 3 would be blank for your reasons. So I gave you 2 options here. Right? You can do the text box or you can do the table. Again, all you have to do is create these empty boxes today. Go back to your Google Classroom assignment, turn it in. Okay? All right, let me know if you guys have any questions.